Hello and welcome everyone to the Friday, March 13th edition of the Contributor Comms team meeting. I am Chris Short, your host with the most. Happy 313 day, everybody. As a reminder, this meeting operates under a code of conduct, which essentially says to be respectful of your fellow speakers and attendees and generally be excellent to each other. Here at the beginning of the call, we like to offer an opportunity for anyone on the call to introduce themselves if you'd like to. It's totally optional. Caslin uses this as an excuse to explain what the meeting is, so I will introduce myself. Hello, everyone. I'm Chris Short. As I mentioned, I'm one of the co-leads of the Contributor Comms sub-project, which is what this meeting is about. And our purpose as a group is to make sure that folks within the contributor community and open source Kubernetes know about things going on that they really ought to know about. Also, to make sure that folks outside of the contributor community know about the awesome work that the contributors are doing. During this meeting today, we'll go over various projects and things going on that relate to that work. Would anyone else like to introduce themselves? Totally optional. All right, let's go to the notes. Oh, Christopher, are you taking notes today by chance?
Oh, sorry, I can't as I am also in two calls at the same time. But I could
Oh,
like
well,
be
you
one of
don't
them.
I
have
can
to.
take the notes today.
Okay, cool. Let's do that then.
All right.
Note takers. Okay.
Hmm?
And feel free to put your name in the notes.
Oh,
Uh, no, I already did yours, Swathi.
oh.
That was for everyone else on the call. All right. So Natalie has a note in here that she'd like to do a spotlights blog. Uh, let's see. I will tag Federico on that if I could. Okay. Well, never mind.
If we're talking reviews, I know Darshan did one recently on SIG storage. So
Mm-hmm. I believe if we look at the board,
I can just share it if
SIG
necessary.
storage, let's see. No sock. Thank you, Arnav. All right. Um, I wouldn't worry about it right now. It's on the board, so we can get to it if we get to it. So next week, new contributor orientation, the Nginx, Ingress Nginx end of life reminders are in buffer. I saw those this morning and approved those accordingly. Um, anything else for messages of the week that we know of?
Um, I was checking the el WKD and we're good with the Maintainers Summit, if I'm not wrong, communications. So I didn't read anything
Okay.
other than that. Not that I'm aware
Cool.
of.
I think the 1.36 release mid-cycle blog is going to be out sometime soon, next week, I believe.
Okay.
Still working on it, but sort of getting reviews and stuff now.
Oh, well, do we want to put that in the messages of the week spreadsheet? Or how is this
The
thing
one
sorted?
1.36.
Yep, that's one the
Okay.
3.
Do you think we need to make another comms, Chris, for the SIG report?
The annual
Yeah.
reports, are they done? That's kind
Sorry?
of my question. Are they complete?
That's not. It's just like as a reminder to for six to to complete them by the end of the month.
Oh, yeah, no, we can do that.
Okay. Let me add that to the. Yeah, I will check. I will set write two things like SIG annual report reminder, but also like check how many of them have completed them.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Oh wait,
yeah,
I've already written that. Okay.
double notes.
Okay. Sorry.
That's okay.
Cool. Anything else we can think of? I mean, when does KubeCon start? It starts the week after, right? Yeah.
Yeah, Natalie have could give us more context regarding like Maintainer Summit and calls for volunteers, but she's not here, sadly.
Yeah, I thought she was good on volunteers. I forgot.
Yeah, she got. It's just that I'm not sure if like there are roles, if she's looking for more. I don't have a clue in those regards.
Yeah, yeah, I don't either. Let me find those notes. No, that's the plan. There we go. 10th was this week, right? Yes. Okay. Um, meet and greet SIG, meet and greet volunteers. Yeah. Nothing. And I reviewed these, I believe. Okay. Kate's meet and greet. She has volunteers for the meet and greet, which is great. Looks like the web page got sorted. Thank you for that. Nothing specific in maintainer summit notes to call out, but feel free to check. All right, moving on to new items. You need something uploaded to YouTube?
I found that message of someone having issues with that, and just I wanted to know like if he wants to know like if there's any place to see the errors, who handles like if there's an issue with YouTube, like who they should ask. They should ask in Slack. They should create an issue. I will just
They
to know
should
more about the
ask,
process.
they should ask, they should at YouTube admins in Slack.
Yeah.
Um, I am one of those YouTube admins though, so
How many of YouTube have admins we have?
6.
We have 5 or 6.
Probably, yeah. There's
Okay.
6 in the Slack group right now.
And like you can also include Kathleen as she is
Yeah,
basically handles the account. So we have 7 including her. But
Okay.
like as managers, I guess we are 5 or 6.
Okay. And how the tool? Which tool is being used for that?
So we
YouTube.
basically
We just
use
straight up upload it.
YouTube Studio and Zapier.
Okay.
Oh, well, let's see. I will. We still need Zoom admins. I'm going to tag in everybody. That was on Wednesday. How did I miss that? Okay. Let me take a look at that after this meeting. Big network. YouTube. All right.
If you want, I can check that right now.
Yeah, go for it. That'd be great. I, bel- I LGTM'd a bunch of stuff this morning that was in these notes on GitHub for the case.dev site. Do you still, I saw a bunch of comments in the one about the calendar API key, Christopher. Did you still need help with that or are
Well,
you good?
okay. Yeah. Before that, cool. Are we good to approve the one for the NCEO?
Yes.
Nice.
Uh, just needs an
s-
approved label from a SIG lead.
okay. And for regarding the one with the yeah, I'm not sure who from the SIG could get like help us getting that key. Like
Steering has the Google account, like they own
they
it.
are the only ones with Google like workspace workspace access.
That's intentional, yes.
Okay. So like, do you think we could just wait?
Uh, um, did you tag steering in the issue?
I
You did,
tagged
right?
the usernames. I don't know if there's a group that I could tag to.
There should be a steering channel in Slack you could tag in.
Oh, okay. That would be better. Okay.
Yeah. I would just let
Oh,
them know. Like link to the issue and say, hey, we need a new API key.
okay. Let me do that.
Or link to the PR, I mean.
Okay. Let me do that.
Cool.
And yeah,
You want me to check?
that's all. Well, and the removing the welcome from the navbar. That should be good to merge.
Yeah, we
But
just need an approved label.
LGTM. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
Let's see
Yeah,
who
once we get rid
answers.
of welcome from the top level nav, it'll be responsive and everything. So that's cool.
The world will be a better place after that.
Yes. Yes, it will. Thank you for that. All right. So Natalie has a bunch of updates in here. Sent this week. Ask contributors anything was announced. Meet and greet volunteers were requested, and meet and greet SIG participation messages sent out to be sent next week on conference topics. Woohoo. The Ask Contributors Anything reminder, SIG participation reminder for the meet and greet, reminder about the meet and greet itself, pre-event know before you go. Not sure if she had questions about that. We haven't done one of those in a long, long time. Message to the meet and greet proctors on what time to arrive to help. Fun. All right. Susan said she couldn't make it today, but she'll review and load all the KubeCon EU comms into Buffer this weekend, and they'll be set before everyone leaves, which is great. Then this issue through this PR um, for the previous line we're at. Oh,
Arpit, do you have your hand raised?
hey, what's up, Arpit?
Yeah. So I found the issue. The problem is there is no automation for SIG network.
That'll do it.
Oh,
And like I also have a question. Like if I am not wrong, we have 24/6 in total in Kubernetes, like roughly around that number, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So I am just assuming like the number of automations we should have is around 24, but what I can see is just 11. I can
And
present
where?
my my screen in Zapier.
Yeah,
I
go
can
ahead.
present my screen if that's okay. Just give me a
Yeah,
second.
go for it.
Like you need to give me permission to do that.
Oh, well, that's easy enough. Here, you can be a co-host too. Why not?
Mm, so
Arvid, could
like
you also? Oh, wait, sorry. Go ahead.
yeah. So like
Is
if you can see, this is the Zapier setup, and these
mhm.
are all the reps we have. And if I just do SIG here, I can find only 11 results, and the total number of like the total number of automations we have around 47, but they are not
That's
related
all?
to like SIGs. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
all.
do a
We can also filter out
do a
by
search for
status.
network just to make triple sure.
Yeah, I just did that.
Okay, cool.
So network doesn't exist. I
All
checked
right.
all the folders, like we have 3 folders. I double checked all the folders so that we don't create duplicate jobs, but we don't have a network thing going on. And that's like make me wonder like maybe there are other SIGs too, those who are facing these problems. Because if I do SIG, like when I or chat create an automation, we make sure to follow this naming convention so that we can keep track of. So if I do SIG, I can only get 11.
Do you see the recordings in Drive? Let me go look.
I don't think I have drive access. Like I can access Zapier, I can access YouTube Studio, but I don't think I have drive
Oh,
access.
well, let me log in to my Kubernetes one password real quick.
Do we have any Zoom admin on this call, like right now?
No, we're waiting on Mario for that still.
Oh, okay. So like I don't know whether SIG network has this thing. Like I will try. I will still need their credentials. So I checked like the person who flagged this is currently away. So I guess this basically postponed to tomorrow. But like I will ping him uh, for the credentials and all.
Yeah, go for it.
Also,
I am trying to find the shared drive, but I can't for some reason. That's fun. YouTube automation test. Something tells me that's not it. Huh. Well, I don't even know where the Google Drive is at this point. That's super fun. Actions. Container. Hmm. Sorry, I'm trying to find it. Hmm.
no, the account is not even added in Zapier.
Account. Oh, yeah. That'll do it. Yeah, if you want to ask them for the creds, go for it. You gonna do that tomorrow, you said?
Yep, like so the person who asks, like the person who noticed it, I checked like they are not available right now.
Okay, cool.
So like it's 8:29 a.m. there. So like you either I try in couple of hours, like contacting him for credentials. But I
Works.
also like need to make sure that they have Zoom enabled in their sorry, they have Zapier enabled in their Zoom marketplace. So
Yes.
that is one thing. Like I can ping Mario for that.
Yeah. I'm curious how it was set up before and why it stopped working,
Uh,
but that could be an
so
artifact.
like there is these Zaps who control it now,
Yeah, I know.
but
But if it stopped working, how was it working before? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
like is there like has anyone done a the Zapier cleanup, something that kind of a thing?
I don't think so.
Uh,
Not that I know of.
Yeah, I will check when was the
because
last recording of
Yeah,
that
thank
SIG
you. That'd be great.
because
for that we
I don't
need to
think they never
access.
had. Go ahead.
No, so actually the thing is for that we need Zoom credentials. If we have those, actually we can log in into Zoom and check like what is the last recording. Like if you see the content, this YouTube studio thing. Just give me a second.
Okay, I got one for February, no,
So
January 20.
yeah, so there are
Oh,
this two playlists.
uh, interesting. It worked on February. Oh, someone must have uploaded that because the date and do not match the file name. Huh.
Like either someone manually uploaded it, like it is different.
Yeah, I'm curious how it was working before, but that's more of a expedition than an actual need. We need to fix it in the new way. Huh, okay. So Arpit, you're going to track that down. Let's see. Update.
Also, like I am just wondering if this is the problem with SIG network. The other SIGs which are not there in the Zapier right now, like we have only 11 Zaps for 11 SIGs. The other ones also facing similar sort of issue. Like if the automation is working, that is fine, like previous one, but either it
Yeah,
can
like I
break
would
anytime
assume,
or
right. I would assume it's using the old system for automation, and that could, like you said, break at any moment.
Also just one more thing, like if we set up a new automation, will the like the old one and new one upload duplicate videos?
Potentially. That's why we kind of need to figure out like how was this working before so we can turn that off. But if it's not working at all, then you could set up the new automation and off you go.
uh
It's not like if it's broken,
yeah,
it's not going to magically fix itself by itself, right?
like Chris, any idea like what we used before Zapier?
I
Or like
forget.
is
There
it
was
always
it was a tool of some sort, and I forget what it was called, but we ran it, I think, internally. The name is escaping me, but it was years ago when we were using it. So I don't know, to be honest.
so just I am just assuming like half of the automation is still working from that old tool and half of it
Hopefully.
is working from Zapier.
Um, maybe. It could also be that the SIGs themselves have their own YouTube channels, right? We have a few folks that do that too,
Yep.
don't we? So yeah, I wouldn't expect to see SIG 20 something times in Zapier just out of the randomness of each SIG having their own Zooms and
So like
YouTubes and everything else.
but so like previously some SIGs reach out to me and chat like asking to migrate their uh, personal YouTube channel to Kubernetes. Like some are using the
Okay.
collaborate feature, like the playlist collaboration feature, which is there so that multiple accounts can upload videos to a particular playlist. But some ask us to like migrate. So we basically migrated their
Oh,
like the videos from their YouTube channel to Kubernetes YouTube channel. Or like sometimes it involves like creating a new playlist, or like sometimes it is like just adding collaborators, sort of. So
yeah,
if I
that's
am not
true.
wrong, it's uh,
Yeah.
uh, maybe one of the SIG I recently created automation for. We enabled like collaborators sync, so uh,
You could
they
see
can
that
do
though,
it.
right?
Yeah, we can see it. I'm just like trying, like from here you cannot tell like from which account it is uploaded, but when you open a particular video, it basically tells you like from which account it is uploaded.
Yeah. Let me go dive into that real quick.
Mm, I guess I can find it. I had dropped a message to chat regarding this. Yeah, it's SIG scalability, if I'm not wrong. Mm, yeah, it's SIG scheduling actually. If you check the SIG scheduling playlist, mm, SIG scheduling. It's searching in videos.
Oh, Mario is here. I think Arpit wanted to ask something.
Oh, the magical Mario is here.
Oh,
Hello.
Hello.
hello. Hi Mario.
Hi, hi.
Mario, can you like provide me the Zoom credentials for SIG network and enable Zapier on that account?
The Zoom credentials for SIG network. Let me see. I cannot actually, because they define their passwords by themselves, so they need to
They got to share.
add
Okay.
you.
So, like, can you enable Zapier on that account?
Let me have a look.
Can you even log in?
I potentially cannot, but I can check. Give me a second.
Chris, have a look. Like, this is one example, SIG scheduling. So these videos are uploaded by different
Uh,
YouTube channels.
got it. That makes
So,
sense. Let me find
but
networking.
what they requested is like the future meetings, whatever it is, they will be uploaded directly to Kubernetes YouTube channel. So any future meetings they have, the automation is set up in a way that any future meetings they have, that will be directly uploaded to Kubernetes YouTube channel, not like anyone else, but they are still collaborators in this playlist. So if they want, they can add any one of the videos from their channel to this playlist.
Well, it's for SIG Network.
It is for SIG scheduling. Like this is one example in like a collaborator example.
Right. Yes. If there is a collaborator on their list, I'm not seeing one right now.
Yeah.
I cannot log into the Gmail account of the central one because I need to send two-factor authentication is not enough. It wants to send an SMS to Keslin's phone.
Oh no. Not an SMS. Ugh. Fun. All right. Well, SIG network meetings. Okay. Cool. Anyone got anything else for Mario while he's here? Zoom admin credentials, Mario.
Same issue.
I know. After KubeCon?
After Keslin enters the.
Great.
The good thing is I can now delete another Zoom account
Oh, okay, good.
because working group AI conformance is done, which means that the Zoom account gets free again.
Nice. All right. We could go to the board, but Frederico's not here. He said he was going to drop his updates this weekend.
Mario, I have a question. Like when you say working group AI conference is done, that means they completed their life cycle and the working group is like the working group no longer exists, right?
Yes, the working group no longer exists. The working group is now a sub-project under SIG Arch.
SIG Arch. So, I recently set up an YouTube automation for them. So, like for any future meetings, how it will work?
Because if now new meetings are in SIG Arch, they automatically should be uploaded with SIG Arch automation.
But
Right.
Because they are now out of the SIG Arch calendar.
So you could disable the automation potentially.
Yeah, I would I would still keep the automation around for like a couple of weeks so that we are sure that everything is there and then we can disable it. Yeah.
Got it.
Also, Chris, just I noticed something. If you look at this column for any playlist, like most of the SIGs or like whatever most of the playlists we have, they all are recently updated in 2026.
Yeah.
If you like, so even if we have like 11 reps, automations are working.
Yeah.
For like we need to figure out like from where, but yeah, they are working. There's nothing like 2023 or
why would
2025 even not.
Contributor Summit EU 2024 have a date from this year? That's weird.
Contributor Summit EU 2024. Let's check. June 6, 2024.
Yeah. I wouldn't. YouTube Studio has a good habit
No,
of
so
not displaying the right dates, I think.
No, so I guess it said last updated. So let's say if I change the playlist name, will that count as update?
Yeah, that would
Or
count
anything,
as an update.
or like any config for that matter of the playlist.
I would assume if you added collaborators or did anything to the playlist, it would change the date.
It will change the date, right? We can
Yeah.
try though, right? I will uh,
Oh,
fix it right now,
yeah.
but just trying out. KubeCon
Something tells me it's going to be at the top if you're sorting by date.
March 13, 2026.
Yeah, there you go.
So it's
Yeah, so it's entirely possible somebody came into YouTube and did something to every channel. That's weird. Huh. Or
so
every playlist.
if there's a new video edit, there will be a date change or like any config of the playlist if it is changed. And there will be a date change, right? So we cannot actually uh, like this matrix is false for our use case.
Okay.
Yes, it's in Fab 4 and
Do a sort by date.
filter. I cannot actually.
Uh Click the last updated thingy. Does it not let you do that? Oh, fun. Okay. Wonderful. Well, it looks to be in date
It is
order now.
already sorted, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. Huh. That's weird. I'm looking at it. Doesn't make any sense to me. There's
Several playlists are updated on Fab 10.
and the first. So interesting.
Maybe like one of the YouTube admins like did some config change, like a necessary one, or
Every
just
playlist or dozens of playlists, I should say. Huh. That's weird. All the more reason to have a channel and not an ad.
yep. Like if we want, we can have a combined channel for Zoom admins and YouTube admins. I don't think Zoom admins also have a channel.
Well, no, they don't. But in theory, if you're a YouTube admin, you might have a good chance of being a Zoom admin too. So, okay. Um, we don't have anything else, folks. So, anybody got anything else for the meeting recording specifically?
Arpit, do you had any progress with the video you recorded at the previous KubeCon India?
So like that one video which I sent, that is that is the final version from my side. I actually saw your message about like social things. So for that, I think what we can do, like divide uh, each question of the video in clips, and then we can post it like as a separate post. Like regarding more videos, like I didn't get time to edit those, but like I'm trying to edit them as fast as possible.
And do you okay? And the goal is to publish them at YouTube, LinkedIn, X with those videos.
So like I don't think like we have discussed about posting that on like social media. We can definitely do that. And like so I agree with the point, like a 6 minute long video on LinkedIn or X seems a bit too much.
Yes.
So what we can do is like in every video, like whatever video I have recorded, it's sort of SIG spotlight blog type of thing, in which I ask like a particular question and then there's an answer to it. So what we can do, just my like this is just an idea. Like for each question, we can form a post. Like for example, for a simple example, like if I am asking someone like what is Kubernetes, so we can form a post around what is Kubernetes and attach that particular clip to it. Like it does not even matter if we want to sort out. We can also cut my like my voice, like I am asking it. We can like directly put the answer uh, over the clip. So
Chris and Mario, thoughts about like posting minute could be minute or less long videos on social media.
Um, in a perfect world, all the videos would live on YouTube, I think.
And how about making people to click and find those videos in YouTube? Because I feel like most of the YouTube's videos for the contributors and well, the channel is like for recordings and maybe a
Yeah.
meetup if there's any. So how you
mm,
bring people to know that those videos are being published also?
Could you not link to YouTube from social media?
yep, I am going to like say that.
Uh-huh.
Like so like there are some like for example there are some maintainer submit videos or like some talks which folks refer again and again in the community. Let's say as let's say just talk about new contributor orientation. So what we can do is like we do a post and we can provide the YouTube link. That way we also get traction to our YouTube channel.
Right. You get the analytics.
Okay.
Christopher, is your question about posting the actual videos on social media accounts
Maybe like a
natively?
clip, and if you want to know more, go to YouTube.
Yeah, I think that'd be fine. Um,
But in that case we need to trim them. Like I don't think
right. You're gonna have
any
to edit all the videos. That's the problem.
Yeah.
yeah
Or
like
but also
it's it
like if you want to share them to me in Drive, like I'm more than happy to help you with that.
why not.
Um.
Why not? If I am not wrong, I already have them in Drive. Let me check out.
Okay.
If
And also from I want to hear from you. Like, do you think LinkedIn? Like, I know LinkedIn is fine, like for less than a minute long videos. But X, do you think will be a good platform for that?
I don't see why not.
yep, like actually, like if we are cross posting it on different platforms, like we can do that. Like if let's say the clip what we are using it the 1.5 minute, like on an average, or like 2 minutes, we can like
To
cross
me, that
post it.
is it's quite long for people.
2 minutes.
Yeah, like because the thing is I didn't record the videos with that context in mind, like they are going to be in social media or something like that. I
Yeah.
basically recorded them for YouTube, so like we need to like then clip it out and trim it out in a way that they can go to like social media. And
Okay.
the
Let's
only
let's do
problem with that
something.
is
Let me share me the video. I'll do the clip, and then we will discuss what's the proper way to publish it.
yeah, why not. Just give me a second, let me share the Drive link with you.
Oh, I got a response from the steering committee. Christopher, I've been meaning to get at you about it. I had have it open for the past 2 days. Let me read let me read through what's needed there. Okay. Yeah,
Cool.
there's nothing else I have.
All right. Let's so in Buffer, you should be able to attach a video if you
Okay.
need to. I don't see why that wouldn't work unless the video is too long or something or too big.
Yeah, I was asking more like it's just I don't use X often.
Oh,
And
yeah,
I
no.
don't know if like that dynamic is any different from LinkedIn.
So if you put a YouTube video on X, it'll do like the little preview thing and you click it and it should play. Last I checked. But
Yeah. But it's just, like the users, they don't like longer and shorter contents. You could not post the same type of content in both platforms. It's just that. That's why I wanted to know, like, if
yeah, every platform has different video standards and requirements. So
they're non the non-written rules.
yeah, so sometimes it's about length, sometimes it's about file size. It just varies, right? Like
Hmm.
if you're posting videos natively, each network has a different thing.
Okay, so also for NCO that it's coming, do you have any? Do you need any help? As you're gonna running it, you're gonna be
Oh,
running it
yeah. I don't think I need help, Arpit. Do you?
I don't like for now. I don't get any reply from chairs and leads.
for
Like
call
uh,
for help.
yeah, like for the new format what we are planning. So like I'm thinking of reaching out to Wendy from Signode. Like, but it's on like next Tuesday, right? So it will be
Yes.
like on very short notice. I will like talk to her if that is possible, or what we can do is like we will have the regular session like this month. Then I can reach out to couple of chairs like individually, and then we
Mhm.
can then we can try it like from next month. But I guess like I will reach out to Wendy, but probably the answer will be like it's like it's very short notice. Today is Friday, then there's a weekend, so I'm not
Mhm.
counting weekend. So it's like 2 days, like just like one day if you are talking about EMEA one. So yeah, I think we are going to do the normal one this month, and then we can try the new format from next month.
Okay.
Also, Christopher, can you share your email ID for the access?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'll send it in Slack.
I have got it.
Okay. We are going to
Yep.
say goodbye to YouTube.